Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error teams not working on laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix error teams not working on laptop clearing cache. To begin, open File Explorer. After, go to the path you see on the screen. In it, you find the team's cache files located in the App Data section. After this, select the team's folder. Now click Delete to delete this folder. Chapter 2. How to fix error teams not working on laptop from Task Manager. To start, open the Task Manager from Start menu. In this window, select Microsoft Teams. After, click End Task to close Teams. Now you can open again Microsoft Teams. Chapter 3. How to fix error teams not working on laptop using troubleshooter. To begin, enter Troubleshoot in the search box. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. After this, click Run in the section Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Now in the wizard, you can answer the questions to find the solution to the team's not working error in Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to fix error teams not working on laptop managing app. To start, enter Teams in the search box. Click on App Settings. On the Settings window, click on Repair. Wait for the application to be fixed. After this, you can click on Reset again. Finally, wait for Teams to reset to have access at Teams. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.